What's up, guys? Today I am going to go to a truck meet, and it is currently 6 in the morning, so this truck meet's really early, so I want to see if I'm the first person there, but usually I'm late, so I want to take my Ford, because I think it looks pretty nice. Pulling up now. Is there any slots open? Actually, I'm gonna park over here. Oopsie, I'm kind of blowing smoke in this person's truck. Okay, so looks like there's a bunch of people here. Yeah, we got this Chevy right here. We got this rusty thing. We got this white one. Okay, so we got this white truck, and then we got my truck, and we got this black Corvette. We got this dually, and we got this person who's complaining because they don't know how to do a video. And then we got this white truck. That's not too bad. We got this blue truck. The rims are a little dirty, but it's pretty nice. I mean, this also, the rims are pretty dirty. So, we got this truck. The rims are also kind of dirty on that. We got this Chevy. That's pretty clean. We got this Ford 7.3. We got this Mustang, which is pretty nice. We got this we got another Ford right here. This is actually pretty nice. So I'm gonna go in and grab a drink real quick. But I'm gonna go and pay for these. I just paid for this drink and it's giving me a lot of energy. I'm running really fast. So now I'm gonna rate these trucks, starting from over here. So we got this Chevy dually. I mean, black rims are not that good to me. But I'll give that a 7.5. This rusty piece of junk, I'm surprised they even got it over here. And those twin stacks on the front look terrible. So I'm gonna rate that like a 5. Okay, this white truck, lifted, it has chrome rims. Those are shiny. This is like an 8. I mean, I think my truck's a 10 to me. This Corvette, it's kind of ugly with the purple wheels and the blue tint. I mean, the black color isn't that bad, but I'll rate that as 6.5. Okay, this Chevy, other than the light bars, okay, we got this Chevy. People are interrupting. This, I don't know if I already rated this, but this is an 8. This is 8.5. It has black rims on it, so I don't really like that. So, 30 rims. Other than that, I'll give this a good 8. Solid 8. This, I'll give this a 7. Really plain. Holy, this blows smoke. I'll give this one 8.5 because it rolls coal. This one, I'll give that an 8. This red truck, I'll give that an 8.5. I'll give this Mustang a 9. And this gray truck, I'll give this also a 9. Actually, 9.5. So that's the ratings, and I'm gonna go back home because it's starting to rain, and the truck meet should be over by now. So I'm gonna head home. Okay. Y'all, please sub so I will be able to stream. And shout out to the people who are helping me: Pibble, Sheriff, and Country Boy. So, if you want to add me, my name is right here, TTEJ, Tyreek Hill. So, peace.